How to fix Messenger call not working. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your Messenger call is not working. So the first thing you can do is just go ahead and find the person that you want to call. Then you can just tap on the call icon at the top. Now if somehow you're unable to do that, then in that case what I can do is long press on the Messenger app, go to the info. Once you're on the app info, make sure that the call permission is allowed. So make sure the phone permission here is allowed. Go back, check if you have a stable enough internet connection, and then go to storage. Here, try to clear cache, and if you want also, you can try to clear your entire database, but it will log you out of your account, so you're going to have to log back in again. Once all of that is done, you can go to battery, make sure it's on optimized or unrestricted, and then finally force stop the app. Once all of this is done, go back and give your phone a quick restart, and then go back to your Messenger, try to call that person again or any other person, and it should start working. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.